Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to clear or remove recent search history in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on that page, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will load up your emails and give you access to all of Outlook's features. Take a moment to let everything load completely before moving on to the next step. Once your email inbox has fully loaded and you can see all your messages, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon sitting there, which is your main settings menu for Outlook. This is where you can customize various aspects of how Outlook works for you. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. After clicking the gear icon, the Outlook settings window will appear on your screen. This panel contains all the configuration options available for your account. From here, look for the General tab on the left side of the settings window and click on it. The General section houses most of the basic settings that control how Outlook behaves, including display preferences, notifications, and search functionality. Once you're in the General tab, you'll see several additional options listed underneath it. Scroll through these options until you find one labeled Search. This is the section that controls how Outlook handles your search queries and what information it displays when you're looking for emails. Click on Search to expand this section and reveal the search-related settings. Now you'll see the search results settings appear. This is where Outlook stores preferences related to your search history and how results are displayed. Look for a checkbox that says Show Top 7 Most Relevant Results. This feature is what keeps track of your recent searches and displays them when you use the search bar. To clear or remove your recent search history, simply uncheck this box by clicking on it. Disabling this option prevents Outlook from storing and showing your most recent search queries. After you've unchecked that box, you'll need to save your changes to make sure they stick. Look at the bottom right part of the settings window and you'll see a save button. Click on it to apply the changes you just made. This ensures that Outlook will no longer display your recent search history going forward. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your recent search history in Outlook by disabling the feature that displays it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.